Hi, welcome back again. My name is Abraham, and welcome to part 3. Part 4, is it part 4, part 5? So, part 5, yes, part 5 of this tutorial. No, this should actually be part 4, yeah, part 4 of this tutorial. In the last part, and I'm just like really exporting everything up here. In the last part of this tutorial, I was doing the delete. Now I want to do the update. So, update will nearly be the same thing, just a few much more things. And probably what I'm gonna check out. And for this update, I might be able to copy paste some codes because I actually realized I'm just using some codes in my previous app. So I might be able to go and copy paste some of this code and just explain for you what this thing does. So allow me to update this. Yeah. So let me just update, copy paste all of it. Then I come to my app. Then this should be the one that does the update. So we have the table name and everything, field data and everything. So I'll just say here that corner cursor. I already know where I'm getting them. Um, it's pretty much simple. It's not like something hard. So update table name. So let me just call this table name. Table name. Set field name. So we're setting this. Okay, done some error. So we are setting field name to be equals to the data where item primary is equals to the item ID or the item value. So this is like the primary key. And that's why I actually have this. So if you want to update something here, so update this where this equals to this. And this is also something that you can actually go ahead and reuse. So how does this comes in the other menu? So that's what we probably want to look at and see how this is gonna work with us. But anyway, before I actually do this, so if I just come here, I think one of the things that you want to check is if this thing exists. Okay. Um, so up here, I'm going to copy paste that just to see if it exists. I'm like, I'm like, somebody just told me that this doesn't actually make sense here. So just say that commit everything, and I want to return 200. I don't know whether for successful update is. I'm just saying success. I'm not like so sure. So let me just return 200. Or maybe you can return to 1 for created. I'm not like so sure. But in this case, we're not creating, we're actually updating. So I don't know. You guys can actually check it up in my blog. What is the correct status code for the update? So that's it. I want to go to my views and try to call this and see if this works. Cool, let's dig in. So if we go to my views, this is the one for the update. So I'm gonna request some data. Like actually don't need all that. There is a way I'm gonna separate. So data, let me just call this data is equals to this, and I'm gonna say for key value in data dot items. Okay, we want to say up we want to say update res is equals to update. So post model dot update item, and this is where like a lot of things comes in. Okay. So I don't know, and personally I don't know how this is gonna work, but I realize I might be having some bugs. So I'll be taking in the table name. So this is posts. Please allow me to come here. Table name. So table name, field name. So set which field name. So which field name am I talking about here? I'm talking about the field name of so field name, the specific field. So set key is equals to value. Set key is equals to value where post ID is equals to the ID. So it's like that, pretty much simple. So where the key is equals to the value. So this specific key changes the value. I just have to make sure that the value is equals to what I actually have here. And so okay, let me just go to my base model and check something. So I'm actually calling table name. So table name goes here, table name. Field name. So this is not field name, so this should be that. So just to make it conform to the new thing here. So pretty much it. Anyway, I don't know. I might be just be coding and I realize I've not like really explained this concept very well. The reason I'm actually changing this is just to make it conform with what I'm like looking for. So it will be select all from table name. Okay. Select all from table name. Here, so select all from table name where item P. So item P is the item primary key for that specific thing. And I know this is like post ID, okay? I can write here, write in post. I can actually come here and write post ID or name because item is where I'm actually going to have this equals to the item ID. So it's not like something quite much bigger for me. Then for this one, update table name, set the specific field you want to name, give it the specific where the item P or the primary key is equals to the item primary value. So that's why this is actually going here. So it's not like something big. And as you can see, these are string, but these are the integers. So it's not like something super big. Because I actually have this one here. So after I've actually verified that, and you guys are able to understand that, I can come back to my views and say if no. So if I come back to my views, I need to have something like this. Whoa, okay. Let me just crop this down here. Okay. Okay. And pretty much same. So updated. So I can actually come and say something like this. Okay. Let me just confirm this because I actually realized I may be actually missing something. So this is con, not this con.com. Yeah, but then I realized this would take just the first name, so I need to come back and check something. So allow me to check some few codes here. I think it will be, this should be here to just check some few codes here. Um, okay. Uh, okay. I'm just, I think I was just like trying to confirm if this would work, but anyway, you can actually try this out and see if this would work. So update item, update item. Is the method trigger together? Yeah. Let me just try this now. And this is like not necessarily you have to provide everything. So if we try this, so right now if I try to send this, it will say not found. Okay. Oh shit, what's up? It must be having. Oh, okay. Line 91. I'm having some indentation error. Okay, about this. Okay, so it's not found. I can try to add another one. So I want to try to update one so that we can see. So I want to try to update this. And we're just gonna see it should actually pop up an error. So this is not actually found. Then I want to try to update the title itself and do away with the rest. Send this. Oh, one is not found, so oh geez, I have an error. Oh, okay, what's the error? Okay, I know where this comes from. In my base model, I'm talking about car here, but I have car. Okay, so if I do this, title has been updated. So if I get it, the second one, I remove the two. So you can actually see what has happened. What I might not be aware of. Okay, what I might not be aware of is if I have test 3 and only have lorem, if it will update everything, then add this user to be another user. If it updates everything, so I'm not like so much sure about that. Oh, so this is get. Let me see. For put. Let me see if it will update everything. It was updated the description. Oh, okay. Let me try to get it now to see how many has been updated. Get. So it has only updated the description, and I don't know why that's happening. But those are like one of those few things you can, you can basically ramp up. I know the most thing I expect is maybe our keys are not like really working. So this where we have it wrong. So when you come here into our views, so where we have, so we can probably say divide it into keys. So if you have keys and values, so for every key and value do this. I don't know which name would work here perfectly well. I'm not sure. So this is like very much important. This will definitely go in hand when you're only updating one specific field at a time. But when you're updating many of them, almost all of them, they might not be that beneficial. So I don't want to try to restrict it much further. But anyway, I hope this video helps, guys. So the next time I actually come to this video, that will be like most probably tomorrow or later tonight. I'll be doing the user endpoint for the login. It will be like something like straightforward and simple. Generating token and everything. So you guys will be starting to hear about token-based authentication. So that would be the next thing that you guys need to start hearing from about. Or maybe registering a user, which is I don't have to go and show you guys how to register a user, but I'll have to go and do that one in the background because you guys already know how to create an account for a user or how to post data. So I guess we're coming back to register user entities, then maybe and do token-based authentication for how to generate the token and how to use it. Then that will be all. Then I can actually go ahead and try to refactor my test in the last. So I'm left like with 2 videos on this, and we'll be like scroll down. Please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and leave a comment below in case you have something. Or please call me. Check my blog always. I'll be always posting some awesome stuff that are meant to help you. Thank you to Andrew from Uganda. I think you've been one of my best followers, and like you constantly reached out and given a comment when it's helpful and not helpful. Yeah. So like, thank you guys so much. And in case you have a tutorial request, please feel free to leave it in the comment section. I'll be able to check it out. Thank you guys, and I hope this video is like gonna be awesome to help you. Bye.